Can you roll over, Annie? Come on, roll over. There you go. Come on. Come on. Roll over for Mommy. There were 10 in the bed, and the little one said, roll over, roll over. So they all rolled over, and Annie fell out. Yes, she did. Come on. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Yay! Good girl! Annie, you did so good! Yay, my baby can roll over now! Mama is so proud of you, Annie. I thought you were too fat to roll over. Yay! You're so big. You're such a big girl. Yay! Good girl, Annie. Good girl. Mama's a proud mama. Please don't crawl just yet. Annie. Hey! Hey, you. Are you gonna roll back? Are you gonna roll back? Hey. Good girl, Annie. I didn't think you were ever gonna do that. There's your friend Flower again. Always interrupting us. What are you gonna do now? What are you gonna do? Yay! Good girl. I want to see you roll up back. Can you roll back? There's Annie in that mirror. Uh-oh. And she eats it. I'm watching you. Whoa. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Uh-oh, she found her tag. Oh, what is that? You like to chew on that, don't you? Annie, don't eat that. Don't eat that tag. Where are you gonna go now? Bless you. I think every video we have you sneezing. Bless you. Come on, roll over here. Where are you going? What are you doing? What are you doing? Okay, I think we're done. Oh.